All right, guys, so we are back. Come here, Jade. Come here. No, come here.
No.
Okay. To a restaurant on the coast. It's a seafood spot, I hear. I've never eaten there, but my parents said it was pretty good. So we'll go there and we'll see what happens, unless we see something else along the way. But we got a lot of recommendations to go try this place. I don't think it's too expensive, but
I want to get fruit at a market.
okay, Nadia wants fruit at a market. Jade, what do you want to do?
I want pineapple. I want mango.
You want mangoes?
Yeah.
Oh, do you want coconut?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Also, I figured I'd show you guys our car. $540 a month. Tinted windows, I dig it, I dig it. It's kind of like a mini minivan. I think it's pretty cool. But tell you what, learning to drive on the opposite side of the road and the opposite side of the car is really weird for me. But yep, here we go. Let's roll.
Off we go.
We just got here. There's only a couple people eating, but it looks pretty good. I know this place gets packed in the evening. I've seen it, but it's only about 5 o'clock right now, so we're just gonna give it a shot. And we got Jade, so we got to get her down pretty early. We can't be out here super late.
And we got an oceanfront view.
Yeah.
And this is the spot.
Now I'm recording. All right, the menu looks incredible. Here's what we're seeing.
Oh my gosh, I want that.
All right, Nadia found hers. See the crab over there. Countless choices. It just goes on and on and on.
2 cups.
No, Jaden, those aren't for us, babe. Those are dirty cups. You know what I brought for you?
Oh well.
All right, so we got our spicy papaya salad. Then we got our shrimp with rice. Looks pretty good. We'll let you guys know soon. So they just brought out a complimentary, looks like some kind of soup or some kind of curry soup. Looks like chicken.
Yeah.
Looks pretty good. We'll let you know how that is too. So far, cashew chicken's really good. And Jade is digging into her shrimp and seafood. I think right now she's eating some squid. Go Jade.
I got fruit.
Yum. Got some watermelon?
Yeah.
And pineapple.
And papaya.
And papaya, that's right. They keep bringing stuff over for us.
You're a manifester, Jade.
Yeah.
She said, I want pineapple.
Yeah.
And look what she got. Some good dessert.
Let me get a little pineapple.
Oh yeah, Jade, do you want a little forky? Look how cute. You poke it.
All in all, pretty good. No complaints. I wish I got crab.
Why didn't you do that?
Jade kept telling me to get crab, but I didn't do it.
No.
Oh, we just finished eating at the spot behind me. It's getting packed now. There's a lot of people showing up. I think they come in from maybe Huahin, which is the next closest big town near us, but we live in a village called Pak Nam Pran. So I think that's probably a pretty popular seafood spot. All right, so we just got to the night market. We're going to walk the row and see if there's something that we want to buy. Sorry, Cup.
Ooh, it is hot.
Hello.
Fish.
Yeah. It's fish, Dada.
That was fish, Jade.
Wow.
Oh, that looks good. Nice.
I want crab
Very
tomorrow.
good. Okay. Will you come back and get this?
Sure.
All right.
I think it's, yeah, they probably have it on there. Have you tried these little jelly things?
No, I have not.
What about the squid? Have you had the raw squid?
I have had that.
The squid we had in the salad was cooked though, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So I promised Jade I'd get her a coconut, and that's exactly what we're doing. Jade, you want a coconut?
Yeah, wait now.
Okay, we'll get it right now. All right, so it's like day 4 or 5 of practicing my Thai. Oh, that looks good. And I just ordered a coconut, 1 coconut, and I'm pretty sure I said it right because he gave it to me. And I said, na pra nun. Yeah, and I think that means 1 coconut because he gave it to me. So, but there were just coconuts in front of me, and I think he assumed that's what I was asking, even if I didn't say it right. But I'll try it again. All right, guys, it's getting pretty dark. I don't know if you can see us that well, but we just finished up at the market. I got pad thai for 40 baht, which is like $1 something, which is awesome. That's an incredible deal. Nadia and Jade got a coconut.
We got a
pomelo.
coconut, a pomelo,
Yep.
and a mango. Jade slammed her coconut, and we watched the sunset, and it was so nice.
Awesome. All right, guys, we'll see you next time.